Okay, now let's have a look to the last functionality that has been added to the A Good Opportunity mobile application. This last functionality is the MEMO expiration. Okay, we get to the main menu and we select the MEMO expirations button in order to access to this new functionality. And when we click, we are allowed to access a new screen that allows us to add a new expiry date clicking on the plus button. Let's imagine we bought some yogurt and we want to monitor the expiry date. We just click on the plus button and we have the possibility to choose between two options. The first one is use by, which is the expiry date properly set, and the second one is best before, so the date before which it is suggested to eat that food. Okay, in this case we select use by, the expiry date properly set, and then we will be allowed to select the food we are interested in. So we said we bought some yogurt, so we access to the dairy products category, and you know the last of the list is yogurt down there, so we select yogurt, and after that okay, let's say prepackaged yogurt, because we need to have the expiry date printed on the package. So let's select prepackaged yogurt. When we click, then we access to the core of the functionality. When we are here, what we have to do? We have to point our smartphone camera to the expiry date which is printed on the yogurt package, and we have to fit that printed expiry date within the gray rectangle we see there. When it fits properly, then the application starts to scan the date automatically. Most of the time the application succeeds, but it might also happen that for some reasons, I don't know, for example, the printed expiry date is not well visible, is not well printed, and so maybe the application would not be able to scan it. In that case, we will be able to insert the expiry date by hand, so no problem. If it works automatically, better so. If it doesn't, we can insert it by hand. But in this case, it worked. You know, we are in a simulator, so we are simulating the process, but no problem. In this case, it worked. The automatic process worked. And okay, the expiry date is the 11th of October 2017. We click on the OK button. It is OK for us. So let's memorize this date. And when we click, we access to a new screen where some new options will be visible. Okay, it needs some time. Remember, this is a simulator. The real application will be much faster. No problem. Okay, now this is a warning about notifications, but no problem. Here we can choose between two different types of notification. The first one is through our iPhone, our smartphone. The second one is through the reminder application. In this case, we select reminder. So we want to be warned about the yogurt expiry date through the notification of the reminder application. So we click on it. And then we have also another opportunity. We can select the number of days before the expiry date we want to be warned. So if we select, let's say, three days, we will be warned 3 days before the expiry date itself. 4 maybe is too much. Let's go back to 3. Okay, 3 days. So this means we will be warned 3 days before the yogurt expiry date. Our smartphone will warn us, will alert us. We click on OK. OK, here we are. And then we see we have here prepackaged yogurt. The expiry date is the 11th of October 2017, and we will be warned 3 days before. But let's imagine, okay, we changed our mind, we don't need this anymore, we want to cancel this record. Nothing easier than that. We just slide it to the left, and when we slide it to the left, the delete button will appear. And clicking on the delete button, we will be able to cancel the record. So, we changed our mind, we don't want to be warned anymore, maybe because we have already eaten our yogurt, so we don't need to be warned about anything. The yogurt has been already eaten. We click on delete, and the record will be cancelled. And we can start, for example, with another record. So it is very easy, nothing difficult. Let's enjoy this new functionality.